Oza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly izolo benginomunye umlungu la uGreg uthi kimi ayo MKP ngithi yes. Uthi ayo Zuma boy ngithi yes. Uthi hey Zuma is a great man. The reason why Zuma is hated like this is because he's been consistent in talking about the land issue, in talking about issues that are affecting black people in South Africa. So that's why Zuma is hated. Don't take anything that they say that is negative about Jacob Zuma. Just know that they are trying to paint him with that brush of corruption, state capture and all of that. They have mastered you black people. They make sure that they divide you. Even by creating all these small parties, they are making sure that they are dividing a black vote. Because they know you are many, you can defeat them. Oh, what yes, I'm telling you. You black people should be voting for Zuma because Zuma is out of the ANC. The ANC has been playing him for the past 30 years. So now Zuma is out. You should be supporting Zuma. You Xhosas, you Zulus and Xhosas need to come together and support Msholozi. It's for you and your kids. It's not for the politicians. But because you are divided, you don't think like that. You want to support the politicians. I want to support Gwede. I want to support Figi. What is he gonna do for you? Because if you support someone that is going to change, just like Traore is doing in Burkina Faso, at least you know that the future of your kids is bright. You may struggle today because even if you continue voting the ANC, your life will not change. But sadly, the life of your kids will not change. But if you fight today and fight this ANC and make sure that you vote for Msholos, you know that even if you struggle now, because there's going to be some infights in government, and Msholos will be labeled corrupt and all those things, yes, but eventually you will know that your kids are set. Tina, we are set. At Tina, we white people, we talk about the EFF, how the EFF is dying, and all the things that the ANC is doing. We talk about such things, and we can see Zuma is fighting the right cause. But you people, because you are divided, you don't come together, and we laugh at you. Cabanga ngizotshela umlungu leyo nto leyo, umlungu omhlophe. Umlungu ongahlali even full time like South Africa. But he knows it's a politics as South Africa. Was a politician, was ngamagama. But nina nizongitshela ukuthi hey Zuma party, hey Zulu party. Yinto eniyaziyo. That's all you know. And understand ukuthi njengoba uhleli lapho ohleli khona, usazohlala lapho uzufe. Impilo yakho will not change. Masikhuluma ngokushintsha kwempilo, asikhulumi ngokuthi wena usebenze ube ne-access to ama credit card, ukwazi ukuthenga imoto, and then when you die with your things. But isikhuluma ngokuthi if kuukuthi we bring back umhlaba wethu as black people, sibuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama. South Africa, umhlaba wase South Africa ungakhona ukunakekela bonke abantu bala eSouth Africa. Akekho umuntu ongathi uyahlupheka eSouth Africa. But nina you don't understand that. Nicabanga ukuthi uma sikhuluma thina sikhulumela ukuthi mhlambe sifuna ukuthi siyosebenza ema-ofisini nani asifundi lonto thina asinandaba nalonto. Vele thina siyayiphandela anyway because sihlala sigqoka ama-overall nje kanje. Yabo? Siyayiphandela. But now you don't understand that. If you can understand that, and mostly it's people here abafundile because bona by accept lempilo yobuslave. Uyabo? By accept lempilo yobuslavery ukuthi hayi thina si right sinjena ngiphila ngeyikweletu ngibhadara bond for 30 years. Indle ngithenge ngo 1 million ngiyobhadara ku 2.4 million is fine. Uyabo? So they are used to that life. Abana nkinga bayazi ukuthi every month mina imali engisala nayo njoba ngihola u50,000 ngisala ne10,000 after ngibhadara ikoleti. They are fine with that. But what happens when you die? Uyabo? Abelungu, they are leaving legacies for their kids. ababashiyeli ama pension fund nani babashiyela into ezibonakalayo, into eziphathekayo. Nina ngizositshela ngalezi zinto zama pension fund, lezi madlane nisevile ukuthi nishiyela izingane sizoyinceda ngani izingane ngoba zizohamba zophuza amabhodlela adurayo iphele leyo nto. You are not leaving anything for your kids. Mawusishiyela lezo mali lezo ucabanga ukuthi izophila impilo engcono. Hayi mfethu, so sesitshelwa abelungu ukuthi useless kangakanani, asicabangela izingane zethu, asivotela ubani bani. Sitshelwa abelungu hayi ningavotela ubani bani nizoshintsha impilo zenu. Thina we are set, we can leave South Africa today and live anywhere, sizobe si right. But nina bangathi South Africa yasha namhlanje noshona akuna la soshona khona, siphelele la eSouth Africa. Hayi bafethu, hayi.